Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, my name is Jawad Adil. I'm a friendly developer and IT professional. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TeamViewer and how to fix the TeamViewer installation error. Let's get started. Go to google.com or teamviewer.com. Let's say TeamViewer. As you can see, teamviewer.com. Click on teamviewer.com, then click on download button. As you can see, there's a Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome. Like for every device, they have the TeamViewer. Like it almost supports every device, every OS. So we'll click on download button. It will take us to download, and the download is done. Double click on it. And default. First one use. If you want to buy the license, just click on company. In commercial use, if you're using it for the educational purpose or for personal use, just click on this option, accept, and wait for the installation. And it's done. If you face any framework error during installation, so you just need to right click on installation file, just right click and run as an administrator, and you're good to go. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.